Hello employees of Reno Car Semester Service. Today I'm going to show you how to route your serves faster using the feature called My List. Click on the My List. Here you select all your serves. It's a pain in the ass, yes. We're working on TriStar to get it so you can select all, but that's a work in progress. After you select your addresses, now tap on the map view. That now sets, it's a routing feature. You can't see it right here, of course, so if you zoom in, you can see the route. All right, so then if you need to, you can tap on each one of those little pins. It gives you the address and the job number. Now the cool thing, tap on that black little pin right there, and now it's going to give you, in chronological order, your route, starting with the first address you're going to attempt at the top and working your way down to the last. You can tap on the individual jobs, allow you to go in. You have to be careful though, because once you complete the serve, it will automatically reset the whole thing all over again, and you got to redo the whole thing. So the key is you want to go ahead and just take a screenshot of this, so you always have this little map in your the layout in your phone. Also too, for those that like Google Maps, here's another hack. Okay, right now, screenshot. If you don't have a screenshot, just ask the office, we'll teach you. And what you do is you take that screenshot, and if you have ChatGPT on your phone, it's kind of a cool little feature here. Open up Chat, our little buddy, and what you're going to do is you're going to paste that screenshot of the list of all the addresses into Chat here, and then you're going to ask Chat nicely. We see how we say please. Ask Chat, please provide me with the most efficient route that can be exportable into Google Maps. Sometimes Chat is 100%, sometimes Chat's only 80%. I think we still got AI. They can't beat us just yet. So tap that little plus right there. That allows you to upload now that picture, the screenshot that you just took of all your route. As he calls me John, yes. He'll give you his route, his order. Then it'll also give you right here, now you can just copy and paste it. Copy this link right here for Google Maps, and then go to whatever internet browser you have on your phone. Go and tap on that, and then tap up there in the address. Just one little tap, and you can be able to do. There you go. You can paste it. It's going to ask you to if you have. This is where you have to have the Google Maps app. It's a lot cooler. You click on it, and then boom, there's your layout. And then now you can go and hit those three dots up there in the top right, and now you can go ahead and because sometimes it's not right on. See it where A and B kind of switched. Now you can switch it there. You just hold those three little bars and you can switch it, and then there's your route. That concludes today's tutorial on how to be the most efficient process server on the planet. Thank you for listening to Reno Car Semester Service.